Hello kids, welcome to our fun learning channel. Today we will learn math symbols. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. This is plus. Can you repeat with me? Plus. Plus means addition. Let's see the example. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. This is minus. Repeat with me. Minus. Minus means subtraction. Let's see the example. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. This is multiply. Repeat with me. Multiply. Multiply means multiplication. See the example. 3 into 2 equals to 6. This is divide. Say again, divide. Divide means division. See the example. 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. This is equal to. Repeat with me. Equal to. Equal means same. See the example. 2 equals to 2. This is greater than. Greater than means greater value. See the example. 9 is greater than 6. This is less than. Less than means less value. See the example. 5 is less than 3. Means 5 is big than 3. Great job kids. Today we learn many math symbols. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you.